Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tech Reviews, and in today's video I have the Tonor TC-777, a microphone that connects to your laptop or PC via USB cable and the very device I use to record my YouTube videos. Now as always guys, if you like today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Tonor TC-777 is a condenser mic that can connect to your laptop or workstation via USB cable. It's a side addressed microphone, meaning that you don't speak through the top of the mic, as it wouldn't have very good pickup. This is something I clearly didn't know, as all my previous videos were recorded by me speaking through the top of the mic and then having to adjust the volume manually on my video editing software later on. Hopefully I sound a lot clearer now, but if I don't, please let me know in the comments below. But just as reference, in case you make the same mistake I did, the condenser is located on the front where the logo is, so this is where you will need to speak from. In terms of the look and feel, it's a neat looking device that has a matte blue finish and a total length of 6 inches. The USB cable is 5 feet long, which is plenty of length, and the stand is pretty sturdy and stays well in place. It has a shock mount where the microphone will sit, which can adjust up to 180 degrees. Finally, the stand also has a gooseneck which you can use to install the pop filter. Inside the box you get the Tonor microphone, as well as one mic stand, a foam windscreen to block out any wind, one mini pop filter, and instructions on how to set up your device. Speaking of setup, the installation of the device was super simple. I literally just plugged my device into my laptop, waited for the relevant drivers to be automatically installed, loaded my voice recorder app, and I was good to go from there. Now, I've had the device for more than 2 months now and have been using this for all my YouTube videos, and I can honestly say that it has definitely been a great investment for me. Yes, fair enough, I was using it incorrectly, but compared to my laptop's built-in voice recorder, the Tonor TC-777 was miles better than what I was originally working with. Overall, if you're thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, podcast, or if you need a mic in general, then the Tonor TC-777 is a great device to help you get started. In terms of pricing, you can pick up the Tonor TC-777 from Amazon for around £35. Now, initially I thought the price was pretty steep at first, but if you're serious about getting started on YouTube, creating podcasts, or just wanting a good quality microphone, then the Tonor TC-777 is definitely the one for you. I've also added the link to purchase from Amazon in the description below. But that's it from me guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. We're so close to 700 subscribers, so if you like today's video, please kindly like, share and subscribe for all the latest content on our channel. I'm Mohammed from Tech Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.